In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in MT5. Before we begin, it's important to understand that you can't change leverage directly inside MetaTrader 5. Leverage is controlled by your broker at the account level, not by the MT5 platform. So, any change you want to make has to happen in your broker's client area, and then it will reflect in MT5 once you log back in. First, head to your broker's website and sign in to your client portal. This is sometimes called the client area or secure area. Use the login you set up with your broker and make sure you're accessing the correct profile for the trading account you want to modify. Next, locate your MT5 trading account within that portal. You'll typically find it under a section labeled My Accounts, Trading Accounts, or Account Settings. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you've selected the MT5 account you actively use, not a demo or a different platform type. Once you've opened the account settings, look for the option to change leverage. Many brokers clearly label this as change leverage. You'll see preset choices such as 150, 100, 200, 500, or even 1000, depending on your broker and region. Choose the leverage that fits your strategy and risk tolerance, then confirm the change. Remember, higher leverage reduces the margin required per trade, but magnifies both potential gains and potential losses. Lower leverage offers more cushion, but requires more margin to open positions. Take a moment to consider how the new setting will affect your current and future trades. After you've confirmed the change, close MT5 if it's open and log into your account again in the platform. Re-logging refreshes your account parameters so the new leverage takes effect. From this point on, the new leverage applies at the account level, influencing margin on existing positions if your broker allows changes with open trades and on all new orders you place. There are a few important points to keep in mind. You cannot set different leverage for each individual trade in MT5. Leverage is an account-wide setting controlled by your broker. Some brokers require you to close all open trades before they allow a leverage change, so check their rules to avoid interruptions. And certain account types have fixed leverage that cannot be changed at all. If that's the case, you may need to work within that setting or choose a different eligible account type from your broker. That's it. Simple, clear, and done the right way.